Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today actually I'm making a small DIY like water cleaner for the pigeons. Actually I'm having a hard time to keep the water clean for almost every time because they got a lot of babies and they've been feeding, but the poops are in the water and then they, like most of the time, my babies get sick. So I just wanted to prevent that and I had a challenge with it. So today I came up with this bucket, and then I just need to cut a couple of holes here and then put the water feeder inside and just flip it over and then just keep it like this, and then they will just come from the side and then drink the water whenever they want to. And then if they wanted to step on top, it shouldn't be any problem, even if they poop. So it'd be easier for us to clean, you know. So I'll just make the couple holes, or you can do bottom too, like make a hole on the bottom and then put a lid on top and just put the water container right inside this bucket. So that would be another option for you guys. All right. So for now, like it is always better to put the lid on top, because even if the birds came up on this, like if they step on the lid and they poop around, and you shouldn't have any problem inside the hole, because if you flip on this side and if the bird step on this one and poop over here, it has some gaps in between here, so the poop will go inside there and make a mess, you know. So I would rather flip this bucket and put the lid on top and put the water container inside and have an access, a whole couple of holes here, so that they can drink water from here. And then it'd be easier, take it out, clean it, bring it back in, and put the lid on, and they will always have fresh water to drink. All right. So let me cut a couple of holes here, and then I'll take it wherever I need to, and then I'll show you guys what I actually mean. So safety glass always recommended when you cut in the metals and plastic. Okay. So I would always prefer to wear a safety glass rather than having small chips or any kind of dirt in your eyes, and it will bother a lot, because I had that experience before and it took me a while to heal that eye, because the doctor has to scrape my eyes and to clean that out. So from then I always like to wear a safety glass and then start working. Okay, so I just need to make a couple of holes. 1 or 2 holes will be fine. I would just rather put 4 holes here, so it's up to you guys. So more holes, more convenient for the birds, but if you put a couple of holes, that will still work. So I would like to make a couple of holes here and then start working on it. So for now, I'll just mark down where the holes need to be and start working on it. So I just need to make a couple of holes. So always 2 inch is recommended. Like if you put like 2 inch above the base of the bucket, that will always give you the nice option for you guys, you know, like. Yeah, the holes shouldn't be bigger enough. Make sure the bird's not going inside, you know. In that hole, right opposite to that, and then mark a sign, or mark a label here, and just make a straight line. I just want to move forward. So I made a 4 marks on each side, and then I just need to cut a shape so the bird can insert the head in and then drink the water. You know, just don't make bigger, you know. And then if you make big, the birds will go inside and still make the water mess. So I would recommend making small holes so that they can stick their head in and drink the water. Alright. So this is what I mean. I made a mark. So the water container will come up here, right over here, and then this is a line, and then this is gonna be the hole for them to stick the head in and drink the water. And let me cut this one out. I just make a couple of holes before I run the jigsaw. And yeah, you can use many other tools. Like I'm using the jigsaw for now, but you can burn iron and cut it round, so that will be easier too. And you can even use a razor blade that's sharp enough to cut it. And it'll be kind of challenging sometimes, but you can still be able to do it. Let me make a couple holes here before I run the jigsaw. There you go, the 2 holes on this side. Alright, the holes has been made and it's complete. And I'll just cut the edges here and make it like always a hole for the pigeons to stick their head in. Alright? Let me run the jigsaw. Yeah, your holes shouldn't be perfect. This will be fine. Yeah, you have plenty of space to put the bird's head in here. They can easily drink water from this hole. Alright, then you make a couple more holes and then it'll be all set. So that I don't have to worry about the dirty water, you know. 1 hole, 2 hole, second hole, third hole, fourth hole. So the pigeons will come around and they drink the water. So I need to give them a file to scrub the edges. So I'm clearing these edges right now. I just need to make it a little bit smoother, nicer here, so that the pieces won't cut their necks, you know. So yeah, the edges have been cleared. It's nice, cool, soft for them. So put the lid on, and it's a bit good. There's the lid. See? Nice, easy. You don't have to press it harder, so it'll be always easier for you to take it out and clean them up. Look, this is good. Let me take this one inside the pigeon's coop, and then. All right, here we are inside the pigeon's coop, and we have a lot of pigeons. Look at this. I need to clean this coop, and then ready for the summer, so they can have a lot of babies, and still have a lot of small babies. They're just grown up, and I have 1 over there, 2 over there, and some of them already started flying. So I had like maybe 6-7 pairs, and then after that it's blown out. Like, I'm having a lot of pigeons here right now. So these ones are like king pigeons and Icelander, Homer pigeons. I have nice quality pigeons grown right here. So this is what I mean. Let me put this bucket up here. See? So this is already mess. Look, the birds coming up on this one, staying up there, hanging out, pooping in the water, and making the water mess and dirty. See? So I just wanted to clean this one up. Put a nice clean water source inside here, and then we're gonna have fresh water for them almost every time. What you gotta do is like put this water container inside this bucket, and then put the lid on top, and then the water won't be dirty. See, this container is clean. I'll just put this container inside this bucket and let it sit on the bottom. See, they have an access to drink the water from there. There's a clean source of water over there. They can come from any side and drink the water. See, the container is placed in the middle, and then it'll be easier for them to drink the water. And you don't have to worry about the dirt. Look, put the lid on top, ready to go. All right, guys. So this is what I actually mean. So they're gonna have fresh water at any time. And then look how it looks. Pretty good, right? Clean water. They won't get in. There'll be a little bit chances of getting a little dust in there, but it's okay, you know, rather than having their poops in the water. All right, guys. If you guys like my video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. May God bless you.